If you're moving to Bangkok and you're looking for a bigger space, it's very difficult to find a brand new apartment. Most of the newer buildings, they build very small units. So if you get a 3-bedroom, it's probably gonna be like 150, 160 square meters, where this one is more than double the size. Good afternoon. I'm here in a building called the Dera Mansion, and today I want to give a prime example on how an older building that's completely renovated can be a good option to live in Bangkok. And I'm filming here for Sukhumvit Homes, which is our company. And this is a 315 square meters 3-bedroom unit, and the rental price would be 90,000 baht. We are located here in Sukhumvit Soi 18. There in front you see the Solaria Hotel. I will put a little pointer to that, which is Asok. So this unit has been completely renovated in the past couple of months, and it's ready now. They have a new kitchen, up to standard, with an oven. There's a dishwasher here. If you're moving to Bangkok and you're looking for a bigger space, it's very difficult to find a brand new apartment. Most of the newer buildings, they build very small units. So if you get a 3-bedroom, it's probably gonna be like 150, 160 square meters, where this one is more than double the size. And the inside has been completely refurbished, renovated. It feels like it's brand new. So especially if you come here with a family, I would recommend to come and have a look at an older building like this. And obviously with Sukhumvit Homes we can help you with finding that. These are the Millennium Towers in front here. It's a nice quiet area. You hear a little bit of drilling around, but there is no construction directly here. Nice swimming pool area. Yeah, I'm here to film this unit. I will upload the proper one with all the information on Sukhumvit Homes. Yeah, so for example, this bathroom is still a bit of an old style. So these older buildings mostly are also located in the city center around Asok. And if you have kids that go to the NIST school, then this is actually a perfect location. This door here connects with the living room. There are several hotels around here as well. It's a nice storage room in here. So if you're renting an apartment like this, you have to imagine that sometimes the price of the electricity can be a little bit higher because the building arranges the electricity by themselves and they use that money for the maintenance as well. We can inform you about all the hidden costs, so don't worry about that. I'm not sure, but this might be the oldest resident in the building. Mostly the space for the gym in these older buildings are not that big. So I'm here at the swimming pool of the building, and let me show you a couple of other buildings as an example where they also renovated the units. units you can find here in Bangkok. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a like, and see you guys in my next video.